Hello, my name is Kyle. Thank you for joining me. If you're new here, click subscribe because a new video is coming out in 2 days. Every 2 days, I drop videos, so click subscribe. All right, I have a gripe, just a tiny gripe about the MacBook Pro display. I know it's going to be getting another refresh because they're bumping the 13 to a 14. Yeah, it's true. And, it just makes logical sense. And, but, these displays still suck. They're not that good at all. They only go up to 500 nit brightness. And is it even a 2K display? I don't think so. These, oh my God, it's just painful to look at them. It's just, maybe because my screen is really dirty. That might be, but regardless, I want a 4K display. Yes, 4K display, get rid of the LCD and just give me OLED or micro LED. Okay, it's rumored we're going to be getting mini LED soon, which is not the same. Micro LED is the thing that's better than OLED. Mini LED is better than LED. Okay, so it's better than nothing, but give me micro LED. You see, this MacBook Pro display I have right here, it's a 2017 model and drives me crazy. Now, the one good thing that mini LED will bring us is higher brightness. So that's good. That's good. Can we go from 500 nits to maybe 800 nits? I mean, that's welcome change. That's good stuff. That one change will make a world of a difference. Okay, also the colors get better, so that's a good thing too. But let's get into the resolution, okay? I want 4K. I want 4K, okay? You got your iMacs pumping 5K. Okay, let's put 4K on your MacBook Pros. I mean, battery life. That's the reason they're not doing it. But let it be an option for us when we plugged into power, okay? I mean, because we're quarantined in the house here, okay? We are always by a socket. We're always by an outlet, all right? Power is not a problem when we're at home. So let that just be an option for us. Or if the risky ones of us, let us just turn it on and sacrifice that battery life. Now, how much of a battery sucker would this be? Probably a lot. Probably a lot. I mean, a 4K display running on this thing. I mean, this computer barely lasts me 3 hours. Okay, it's trash. My phone has a bigger battery than this thing right now because the battery is kind of degraded on this. Kinda. Not gonna lie. Bum, 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 bum. The MacBook Pro, it can get a way better display these days. It can go to 4K. It can go higher nits. And this is just a time thing. It's going to be happening. So if you want to know the results of this MacBook, if you want to know what is going to be happening, because I'm going to be covering it the day it drops, then subscribe. Click subscribe and share the channel, okay? Click subscribe and share the channel, okay? I drop videos like this every 2 days. So if you like what you see, click like. Comment what you think down below. And if you agree and think that your MacBook Pro display can be so much better and it kind of sucks, it kind of drives you a little crazy, then let me know what you think down below. All right, subscribe. My name is Kyle, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see ya in the next one. Peace.